fourth class. Today's topic is junk food. Junk food is a food that contains high level of fat, sugar, and salt. Junk food has no protein, fibers, vitamins, and good minerals. The component of junk food is very harmful and lead us to serious disease. Certain types of junk food are like pizza, burger, french fries, etc. Such foods, even though delicious but damaging our health, they have trans fats that are very difficult to digest. It can create physical and mental disorder. Junk food makes us lazy. Junk food is not body friendly and causes obesity. Junk food is unhealthy and harmful to our human body. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.